Hello and welcome to Pytechie. Today we are going to talk about average or mean. In statistics, the average, also known as a arithmetic mean, is a measure of central tendency. It helps us find a single value that represents a group of numbers. We use the average in many everyday situations like calculating exam scores, average rainfall, or even a cricketer's batting average. It helps make complex data easier to understand and give us a quick idea of what's the typical. Let's see the formula to find an average. Add all the number together, then divide the total number by how many numbers there are. So this is a simple formula we have for the average. Let's see the example. Here is a simple example. Let's say we have a 5 number. These are the 5 number we have, and the total of this number is 210. Now we will divide the 210 by 5, so the average is 42. Let's see the quick Python code example. Let's say calculate the average using Python. We will create a list of number. So here we have a list. These are the list of numbers which we have. We have a sum function. Sum is a built-in Python function which add all the numbers which are present in a list. And then we have a length function which is a built-in Python function. So by using length function we can find the number of element as present in a list. Okay. So first we will calculate the sum using the sum function, and then we will divide by the length of the list. So this is the average value which we got. So this is a very simple Python code. Now let's see when to use the average. Use the average when the data is symmetrical, not skewed. All the values are equally important. You want one value to summarize the overall performance. Let's see when not to use the average. Avoid using the average when the data has an outlier, like it have like some number are within closer to 10, some is 0. So this is 0 is I can say the single value which is an outlier. And when we have the data is skewed and not balanced on or you are working on a categorical data, like we have ratings. If somebody has given the 5 rating to particular movie, then it is high chances like he liked the movie, and somebody has given 1 star, so it is most likely he's not liked the movie. So this kind of data we can say the categorical data we have, or any kind of labels like apple, something like that. So if you are representing 0 or 1 male and female values, so that's the categorical data we can say. So that time we can't try to avoid the using of the average. Thanks for watching this video. Stay happy, and I will see you in next one.